One of the most common questions I hear is, what am I really going to get for what I pay for you to advise me? It's an important question and one you should always feel confident about. I'm David Millington, certified financial planner professional and president of Puzzle Wealth Solutions. At Puzzle Wealth, we believe value comes from more than just returns. It's about creating clarity, saving you time, and helping you make overall better financial decisions across your entire life. So, what drives that value? Let's walk through the key value drivers that define how we work with our clients at Puzzle Wealth. Value driver one, investment management. At the end of the day, it does start with how your portfolio is built. We use a mix of individual stocks, bonds, and low cost ETFs, keeping efficiency front and center. Alongside that, we selectively use alternative investments designed to offer access to strategies that may provide additional yield potential not easily available to do it yourself investors out there. Our focus isn't just on growth, but on diversification, efficiency, and alignment with your goals and risk tolerance. Because building wealth isn't about what you earn, it's also about how efficiently it's managed. That leads me to value driver two, financial planning. Once your investments are aligned, the next value driver is your financial plan. Every client has a plan built using industry leading software. And more importantly, we will update that plan every single year with you because your life changes, markets change, and your goals evolve. We run stress tests, compare multiple scenarios, and we'll give you a clear view of where you stand today and how your decisions are shaping tomorrow. That annual update keeps you on track as life moves forward because a plan isn't a one-time document. It's an ongoing conversation. All right, let's look at value driver number three, tax strategy and coordination. The next value driver is often where real dollars are found. That is strategizing on tax and coordinating it. We use Holistiplan to model potential tax strategies and then work closely with your CPA on that. For example, we may want to shift funds into Roth accounts during lower income years, allowing those contributions to grow tax-free, hopefully, which may reduce future required mandatory distributions. Taxes are one of the biggest costs families face. Our role is to identify opportunities and coordinate them so nothing slips through the cracks. Because small, smart tax decisions can have a lasting, big impact over time. Value driver four is estate and legacy planning. Another value driver is helping organize your estate and legacy plan. This is an area where small mistakes can lead to big costs. We'll help you review beneficiaries, trust structures, and estate plans, all coordinating that with your attorney. If updates are needed, we'll make introductions to qualified professionals if you don't have one. The goal is to help ensure what you built passes efficiently and according to your wishes to your beneficiaries. Because estate planning isn't just about assets, it's about clarity and control. Value driver five is insurance and risk reviews. We'll also look at the protection side of your financial life insurance, long-term care, disability, umbrella coverage. It's not just about what you've built, it's about seeking to protect it from risks that could disrupt your family's long-term security that could pop up out of nowhere. Because managing risk is just as important as managing return. Value driver six, ongoing service and support. Another critical value driver for the cost that you pay is the support you receive day to day from Puzzle. We're structured differently than many firms. While most advisors might share a single assistant, we have 6 dedicated professionals supporting our clients and advisors. That means that when you need something, whether it's wiring funds, sending text forms, or updating account information, it's usually handled the same day or by the end of the next. We want your experience to feel seamless and supported because service shouldn't be reactive. It should be part of the value you experience. Value driver 7, what is the value beyond the cost? When you look at everything together, investment management, financial planning, tax strategy, estate coordination, insurance reviews, and a dedicated service team, the value goes far beyond just investment management alone. Our goal is to simplify complexity and help you make more informed decisions because the true measure of value is the clarity and confidence you gain along the way. And last but not least, value driver 8, behind the scenes infrastructure. Finally, one of the most overlooked value drivers is what happens behind the scenes with the advisors managing your money. A portion of your cost supports partnerships with firms like LPL Financial, a Fortune 500 company providing custody for your assets. They help with compliance and technology. Importantly, LPL is not a bank. We believe that matters, especially when you think about how bank-owned firms struggled in 2008. We've chosen a custodian that supports independence and client-first service. That structure lets us stay fully focused on you. So to bring this all together, at Puzzle Wealth Solutions, our mission is to connect every piece of your financial life. Your investments, your tax strategy, your estate plan, your insurance coverage, and your day-to-day support into one coordinated plan and relationship. When you see the depth of services behind the cost, you can recognize the real value. If you would like to explore what this could look like for your family, please click the link to schedule a Zoom meeting in the video description. And don't forget, please like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share it with someone who may benefit. I truly appreciate you watching all of these. So until next time, remember, stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your retirement.